My name is David Mason. I'm the Chief Product Officer here at Rivelin Robotics. Rivelin specialise in the post-processing of additively manufactured parts. We do the platform removal, the support removal, the witness removal, and the polishing of those components. So we had quite a big problem here in that version 1 of our connectors all broke around the same time. So none of our robots were up and running, and this meant we couldn't do customer work and we couldn't progress our technology, our design. And so we reached out to Stratasys and worked with them because it was the quickest way to get ourselves back up and running. We chose to use SAF because as a startup, our product and our hardware is iterating quickly, and therefore we need a manufacturing process that enables us to do that. SAF in particular was a good choice for us because it allows us to iterate our designs quickly, but it also enables us to scale up our volumes when we turn to production. So it's perfect for printing thin-walled features that we have in this product. It also offers less distortion in the finished part, which is important for the fit of some close-fitting part components. The key benefits to using SAF technology for Rivelin were that 1, we got dimensionally accurate parts, 2, we got them very quick, and 3, we were able to dye the parts to a colour that suited our colour scheme. Stratasys Additive Technology Solutions could benefit Rivelin in other areas such as the fixturing for our customers. All of the parts that go on our machines require a fixture to hold the component in place, and we could utilise some of Stratasys printing technologies to produce better fixtures for our customers. The ability to rapid prototype with Stratasys technologies has helped us stay ahead of our competitors, and now that we can transition directly into production, we have a winning solution. At the start of our journey, we didn't know which technology would be best suited to our problem. Stratasys showed commitment to Rivelin by always having an engineer on hand to explain their technologies and which materials and processes would be best for our problem. I suggest people try out the SAF technology for their business needs because you can get hundreds of parts in literally 12 hours.